Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you can see me clearly. Today, I want to discuss about Python basics program. So first of all, I go to VScode text editor. Then I want to create a Python folder. That I like to set the name Python Python basic. Then after I add dot extension py dot py extension because this is the Python file that my text editor can understand that it is a Python file. Okay, so now I keep the folder and then I want to build my first program that is called the first program is always hello world program. So I write hello world uh, hello world. Okay, then I want to code here. So let's start. I want to print hello world. Okay, we can easily easily show the output hello world by writing print and writing hello world in double quotation, and then we can run it by to show our output, and successfully we see our output hello world. Wow, it's nice. Then I want to try building the program by storing hello world in a variable. Okay, then how can I do it? Okay, now let's start. I make the variable name message. Then we store hello world. Sorry for my mistake typing. Hello world, and then we will print it in the variable message. Now if we run the code, then we see okay, I'm missing something, that is I declare print message, and message is under the double quotation, that is the string definition. So here we see the output message, don't hello world. But if I remove the double quotation mark from the message, then we can see the hello world. Okay, now run the code. Okay, now we see that hello world here. If then we also want to check in name error. Okay, how look it's like, then check if I want to run the before code, that is message. I set up the hello world or then I print a message. Okay, you see that we declare the variable MESSAGE, but we print MESSAGE. Here one S is missing. That is called name error. Here we cannot find our output. It's called our name error. Here if we see that here it's called that in line 8 in module print message, here it's declared that name error. Name message is not defined. Do you mean message? Yes, it's called that it's called that may I if it's called that I want to declare this the message or message. So here I want to declare a message that is incorrect, but after typing double s in the pin option, then I can run the program and see the output at hello world. Okay, so it's the program. It's very easy and the normal program. So here is my first program, hello world, the basic of our Python code. I try to best my effort. So I hope for something best. Thank you everyone.